Hey guys, today me and my mom are going to be making a train out of nothing but candy! Yeah!
Wait, what? Kids like candy?
Yeah!
Oh, okay. Well then let's get started. First step is we're going to frame out the locomotive with the licorice belts. With all of the candy in your kit, you're going to use icing basically as your glue. So under all the candy you put down, you always put icing as well. Next, we're going to create the front two wheels using our peach rings and some icing. And then for the connecting rod, we're going to use the chocolate taffy-like candy. We're gonna form it and shape it and roll it out to basically create one connecting rod from ring to ring. Okay, next, now this is probably the hardest part, trickiest part of the kit, and that is to make the big rear wheel, smashing and pressing a lot of these chocolate taffy candies together. Use about 8 candies that are in your kit, and then we'll decorate it with red string licorice and with the taffy. Doesn't have to be perfect. This candy is tricky to work with, and we add all the other accents, so don't worry about it being completely perfect if it's not working for you. So now we're going to use our colored taffy and create the center of the rear wheel just by breaking a piece off and again forming and shaping it into the size and shape we want. And when making round circles like this, it works best to roll it into a ball in your hand just like you would with Play-Doh and then smash it down to make a nice flat round shape. Good job. All right. So now we're going to decorate the hitch, the roof, the smokestack, and the pilot with the different various candies. And these kits you're able to create and do whatever you want with them. They don't all have to look the same. So just have fun and use your creativity and the candy that you have to create whatever you want. You happy so far?
Yes.
Okay. So next we're going to decorate the headlight area and then we can decorate the rest however we want, okay?
Okay.
Obviously, if you have a train, you need a conductor, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Someone has to drive that thing. So we're going to make the conductor window and the conductor. Now listen, to make the conductor, we're going to take these awesome gummy turtles and we are going to, I know it sounds horrible, but we're going to cut their legs and their tail off and then flip it to the back side, and that's going to be the face for the conductor. And then you can make hair however you want, whatever floats your boat. All right, let's do it. Kylie, are you going to use hair for your conductor?
Of course, I don't want a bald conductor.
So if you have kitchen tweezers or craft tweezers, they come in handy for little details of the kit. Oh, I like your bow and your conductor.
Thank you.
Nice. All right, now we're just going to decorate the rest of the empty spaces with our rainbow candies. I love yours, KK. Nice job. Yeah. Was it fun?
Yes.
I agree.
Hey guys, check out what we made.
They're really cool. I love how you put the little red candies in the middle of all the rainbow candies.
Thank you.
Yeah. What's this?
Bow in her hair.
A bow in the conductor's hair.
Yes.
Why not? Hey, thanks for having fun with us today. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can follow along with other candy creations we create, and check out candypicassoart.com where you can buy this kit and many other kits to have fun with at home. Have a sweet day. Take care.
Bye.